Hi guys, postman's bin, just one small package. This one I think is AliExpress because it's addressed to Grandad is an old man, and I actually use that on AliExpress. Content, gears. I'm hoping they might match my Spiderbot, which has got a broken gear in it. So we'll have a look inside. We'll try the jigsaw first. Oh dear. Struggling. Oh, that didn't work. Chainsaw. Well, that didn't work. I'll have to use scissors. I did have somebody comment about me using scissors when other channels use all sorts of things like a machete or whatever. So yeah, I'll use scissors. Oh, what's that? A free gift from Joying Liang, made in China. How sweet! I don't think I've ever had a free gift like that before. Right, well that's me gears. And the only way we're going to know whether they fit is to take one of these apart again. And if you remember from the last disassembly video, that's harder than it should be because it's all hot glued together. And to get to the gearbox in the middle there, we've got to take it all out. Now, to be quite honest, they look a bit small to me, but we won't know till we get in there. I think it's that green one in there, because that white one in there, I don't know if you can tell that there's a white one there and a green one there. The white one's the one I replaced last time. So we got it going again, and then I went and broke a gear in this one instead. And I don't think there's any way of getting in there without removing all the hot glue again. What I really ought to do is modify them so I can screw them together instead of hot gluing them. That would be the sensible option. If you haven't seen this method before, the surgical spirit, or rubbing alcohol, I've seen it called in other places, releases the hot glue from whatever it is it's sticking to. It sort of wicks underneath the glue. The only thing is, I've been pretty careful getting all the glue in the right place. So there we are. I think we're okay. Right, so we've loosened that. Now I'm hoping I might be able to just pull this end section off. Might being the operative word. Need to release it from. Yeah, that might be a problem. There's a cross piece that goes underneath that I've also glued in place. It's been a bit too efficient. Might come loose. Might. Those are going to be the awkward ones. This is only because I'm trying not to have to undo the whole thing. Right, I think we've done it. Okay. So now I need to undo these screws. Can I do that? I think I'm just making hard work of it. If I'd have released the whole thing, it would have been easier. That's our gearbox. This is the gear that's broken. I think. No, it isn't. That's the gear that's broken. That one there. What you can't see is the bit that's broken because it's actually disappeared. Right, this is the one that's broken. It should have gears on this side. You can probably just see there's a bit of a rough edge. That gear on that side, they're just using as a spacer. So that looks like it might be the right size. Well, I'll still need to make up a little spacer to take up that space. if we put that on there, well, I think we might have been lucky. So I've got to make up a spacer. But that is a match. Woohoo! Right, okay, so I need to make up a little spacer that is that thick. That's what I had to do on the other side, but you'd have to look at the previous video for that, because I'm not going to take it all apart, just to show you. We're losing the daylight, but I think you can see I've put a black spacer under there, so we're all lined up. Right, can we get this back in there with this? Oh, before I do that, that little bit's broken off there. Gonna have to glue that. That's annoying. I hate it when I run out of daylight. I just can't get the lighting right. Right, which way is this going to go? That's going to go in that way round. Okay, that's okay. It really would have been better to have taken it all apart. Gonna have to turn it to get it to match. Alright, looks like we're in there. Right, okay. Hot glue gun time again then. Just to put this back in place. Like I said, what I really ought to be doing is drilling holes through there so we can screw it all through. I never intended this to last as long as it has. Anyway, I'll get the hot glue gun out and fix it. Right, I'll let that cool down. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.